Hi, my name is Tamara Peterson, and I am an attorney from Bailey & Hirschman. In today's short video, I am going to be talking about getting a condominium approved by a lender. The condo market has changed quite a bit over the last couple of years, and getting condo approval with a lender has become much more difficult. This is important to consider when making an offer on a condo. Lenders have always done a condo review. A condo is considered warrantable by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac if they meet their criteria. To determine if the complex is warrantable, lenders will do a review of the condominium documents. There would either be a full review or a limited review, depending on the type of loan you are getting. Typically, a full review is done when the buyer is putting down less than 10% or doing an investment property, to name a few. A full review takes a deeper dive into the condo complex and is much harder to get approval than a limited review. Also note that there are additional guidelines when the complex is new construction. In this review process, the lender has the association fill out a condo questionnaire. This is required whether it is a limited review or a full review. The condo questionnaire has always asked questions about the complex, having proper insurance, owner occupancy rates, the percentage of commercial space, single entity ownership, and delinquency rates. Additional questions were added after the 2021 collapse of the Florida condo, killing 98 people. It has been determined that many condo complexes are suffering from deferred maintenance. As a result, the condo questionnaire added questions that have proven to be tougher to get answered, particularly inspections, structural soundness, and associations' financial ability to pay for deferred maintenance and replacement. Many associations are reluctant to answer these questions, and without it, the condo cannot be approved. If they will not answer the questions, the lender will ask to review the last 6 months of minutes from an association meeting to look for any signs of deferred maintenance. Also, if any studies have been done or performed, such as engineer reports or reserve studies, the lender will ask to review those as well. The other issue that has been a challenge is the high cost of insurance. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have specific insurance requirements that must be met in order for a condo to be warrantable. The high cost of insurance has caused associations to cut back by removing flood insurance, increasing deductibles that are too high to meet the standards, and taking away some coverages such as wind/hail that are required. I have had 3 or 4 deals in the past couple of months where we had insurance issues. If the association is willing to work with the lender and get the limits to where they need to be, an approval can be obtained, but it takes much longer. If they are not, the complex will be denied. In order to protect your client, if your client is getting a loan, don't waive the mortgage contingency. The loan could be approved in all other aspects, but the condo could be denied. I've seen this happen several times. I would not release the mortgage contingency until the complex is approved. If there is no mortgage contingency and the complex is denied, your buyer will lose their deposit. This needs to be clear to them when the offer is made. If there is a denial, there are some unwarranted loans out there that don't need to go through this rigorous underwriting process, but they will have higher down payments and higher interest rates and are not a sure thing. On behalf of Bailey & Hirschman, I thank you for your time and hope you have found this video informative. Please feel free to reach out to me or any of the attorneys on our team. Thank you.